everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and in today's video I'm going to take you through my entire house, showing you what I do on a daily basis to keep up with my housework. But I am super excited about today's video because it is a collaboration with my dearest friend Bronte. She also does cleaning videos over on her channel. She is a mama of 2 adorable kids, and I just love her to pieces, and I know that you will too. She is packed full of tons of cleaning motivation over on her channel. So as soon as you are done with my video, I would love it if you went over to her channel and watched her video as well, and let her know that I sent you. And if you are visiting here today from Bronte's channel, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you do consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of decorating and cleaning videos over here, and I would absolutely love to have you. So the first thing that I do in the mornings is I always make my bed. I feel like that really gets me going for the rest of the day, and I feel like if my bed's made, there's no way that I can climb back into it and be lazy. Then I'm just going to make my way into the master bathroom, and I'm just going to put my makeup away and things that I have left out. I'm just going to put everything back in its place, and then I'm going to quickly wipe the countertops down. And today I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose cleaner in the rose scent. Now I don't do this every single day, but the railing and this hutch here was looking pretty dusty, so I decided to just go ahead and dust those off really quickly before I went into the other bathroom down the hallway. And today I will be using the Scott's Liquid Gold furniture cleaner and polish for that, and this is in an almond scent, and it smells really good.
I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go, but you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far, I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are, cause you shine bright like a shooting star. Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal.
So before I head on downstairs, I'm just going to quickly put things away in this bathroom here. It is shared by my 2 boys. They are in their teens. I do have an older boy as well. He is 23 and moved out. He lives with his fiance, but I'm just going to quickly put everything away in here, and then I will be cleaning off the countertops and the sinks, and for that I will be using the Method Daily Granite, and this is in the Apple Orchard scent.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right.
So now that the upstairs is all nice and tidy, I'm going to head on downstairs, and I will start in the kitchen down here. The kitchen always seems to be the messiest and take the longest, so I do like starting in here when I am downstairs. There are a few hand towels that I needed to put away, so that's what I'm doing right there. And then I'm just going to bring all of the dishes to the sink, and then I'm going to unload the dishwasher because those dishes are clean. Once those are unloaded and put away, I'm going to load the dishes back up, and then I will be cleaning off the countertops. Okay, so I don't know if you just noticed that, but there was a bottle top sitting on the counter and it just kind of disappeared. There was a part of this video that I did have to cut out because my husband thought he would be funny and put his hands in front of the camera, so I ended up cutting that clip out. And as you saw a second ago, I looked back and smiled and he was making faces. That's just my husband. He always wants to make people laugh, and I am dying to get him on camera one of these days, but he just refuses at this point. But just in case you were wondering what was going on there, he was behind the camera trying to make me smile.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. And I should change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business.
So now that I have the dishes finished, I am going to clean out my sink, and for that I always use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and some soft scrub cleanser, and then I just take a sponge and I scrub it clean. And I love this combination, and the soft scrub does an amazing job with removing stains or any marks that have been left in the sink.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer.
So now I'm going to be wiping down the countertops, and normally I would remove everything from the countertops and do a really good clean, but for my daily routine I'm just going to quickly wipe them down, and I will be using the Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner for this, and it is in the Bulgarian rose scent.
Shut the blinds, I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer.
Now I'm going to quickly clean off the table in here, and I will be using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean in the almond scent. This stuff smells amazing. I love it, love it, love it. It smells so good. I need to buy the floor cleaner. I hear that it smells just as good, and I have been told by several of you that it works really good on the floors. My floors are laminate, but I hear that it works on laminate and wood floors. Let me know if you guys have tried the floor cleaner in this scent. I would love to know what you think. So now I'm just going to head on into the family room and just tidy up the couch and fix the pillows and put the blankets away. And then I will be vacuuming the entire downstairs, and I will be using my Dyson V6 Animal for that. You will see me go into the front room, which is the living room and the formal dining room, and I will straighten up in there as well, and then I will be finished. And this really didn't take me that long at all to do. And if you just do a few little things as you go throughout the day, you will be able to maintain a very clean home. Now, I know that some of you have small children, and I do remember when my kids were small that was almost impossible to do. But I know that as far as keeping the kitchen clean and bathrooms picked up, if you do just a little bit here and there, and then you do your deeper cleans once or twice a week, everything stays nice and clean, and it is not really that hard to do at all.
Destiny brought us together, but then we messed it up. You stole my heart. It used to be hollow, a battery that wouldn't charge. The first kiss, the first touch. Do you remember all the good times, the sweet love? A constant attraction. Some say it's easy, but it's so hard saying goodbye. We are stardust in the universe.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it out in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you, baby. Why are you stressing? Why? I can promise you, you'll find your way in time. To find someone is a blessing. The love you find, you won't be able to deny. Just stay.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation. And if you are looking for a daily routine, honestly, my advice would be to just kind of pick up as you go and keep things put away after you use them, and your house will stay relatively clean. That way you can devote those days throughout the week for deeper cleans, and you don't feel like you're overwhelmed at the end of the week with a huge mess to clean up. So thank you so much again for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next video. Bye!
You know I see us together, strolling hand in hand and watch the sun go